Welcome back to Honest Try TV. Jason here. How you guys doing? And today we bring you another video with our Model Y 2023. This time we got an accessory here for you. It is the LASFIT. These are the mud flaps for all four of the wheels behind the wheels. And what I'm going to do in this video is unbox it, show you everything what comes in it. We're going to install it, go step by step on how to do that, and see what it looks like after it. But before I do, if you're new to the channel, subscribe. It's greatly appreciated. Like the video, and there'll be an Amazon link down below in the descriptions if you also like to test it out yourself, purchase it, give it a go after watching the video. Alright, let's move forward with the unboxing. Alright, we got our handy dandy box cutter. We're going to open this bad boy up, see what we got inside. Boom. Let's do it. Alright, nicely packaged. We got some clips, it looks like, in a bag. Sweet. The mud flaps are right there. Another set of mud flaps, and alright, okay, cool. User manual. Oh, and I guess let's go over the box. I didn't really go over that. This is the back side right there. Tells you the item number, and here's what it had on top. So we got no need drills, awesome, strong flexibility, adaptable to all environments, simple installations, no scratches left. Alright, let's hope so. LASFIT. Alright. Box aside, instructions. Okay, so it looks like each little flap has a bag, and they are labeled, it looks like. Let's see. Alright, get an overview. There we go. Oh, they are nicely labeled. So we got right back, front passenger, front driver's seat, left back seat. Alright, and the bag of clips. So give me a second, I'm going to pop them out. Alright, there we go. All four of them are out. They look like really good quality, actually, as I was touching them. They're fairly thick and flexible. Very nice. And here is the user manual. Let's open it up and give it a show. Alright, oh, looks like an accordion style. There we go. Product specification. Packaging includes. Installation guide. And attentions. Alright, cool. Back end. Nice and clear. Warranty information, FAQs. Alright, back of it. So let's go move on forward with the installation. And it says we're going to start with the front, obviously, here. It says front mud flaps installation position. Okay, cool. It says remove the original rivets and clips. Alright, cool. So let's go ahead and do that first. We got a flathead screwdriver here. Alright, we are here on the front driver's side. What we're going to do is take out these clips here and there. I don't know if you can see it. Let me see, move the camera. There's two clips only. Fairly easy to get to. There's a little pop and open, little space between the clip and the rivet. You can see that here, actually, in my car, on my Tesla Model Y, that there is some spacing there. I don't know if that's going to be an issue, but we will find out. Okay, so it might be easier to spin, and you can see that there's a little spacing right there. Put in the flathead and push out, and there you go. It opens up. And this is what the original manufacturer clips and rivet looks like. Alright, let's remove the second one out. Right back here. Pop it out with the flathead, and there we go. It's a smaller one. So you can see that that was the rear one, and that was the front one right there. Two different sizes. Okay. Let's grab the front driver's seat's mud flap right there. Here we go. Zoom out a little bit. So you can see that there are the two holes there. Adjusted. Clip-on slide. Alright, let's see. Oh, you can see this says 4 Model Y right there. Stamped on there. Sweet. Following the instructions on to step 2. Can you see that? Okay, here we go. It says remove the original clips, rivets, and yep, we did that. Step 3, put on the mud flap. Alright, let's see. Let's just clip it on there. Nice and easy. It has a little, see here, clip. You can just slide it in there, and then it holds it. Holds it nice and tight. Very cool. That's even without the rivets. Next step. Step 4, insert the clips. And then step 5, which is right after step 4, insert the rivets. Alright, so here are the clips that will first go into them. They're a lot longer, you can see, from the original. And there are the rivets right there. And the rivets actually have a little Phillips head I guess you can screw these in. I wonder if I could just apply pressure to them or screw them in. Well, let's see what happens, all right? Okay, starting off with the first one, putting in the clip. Align it with the original hole. Let's see. Where is it? It's up here. Okay. There we go. I think I got it. Yeah, there we go. That looks like it worked just fine. Get the rivet right there. And let's see if I can just push it in. Yeah, it looks like you can just push it in. Okay. I had to use an extra tool, the little harder part, because it was hurting my finger to pop it in there. But yeah, it went in there just fine. You can see, look, it even left the imprint. All right, let's put in the other clip and rivet. That was much easier right there. Next one. There we go. That was super easy, and we're done with the first one. Wow, that was great. That was awesome. So here, let's give it a little 360, and you can see there the mud flap. It flows. It looks pretty good. I mean, colors matching and everything. Looks like it's from the manufacturer. So the main reason I actually got this is because I've been reading and seeing videos also that people having issues with the wheels spitting up debris that didn't have a mud flap originally, and actually go all the way down there and hit the little panel right there, door panel, and scratch it all up with dirt and rocks and all that. So that's why I was hoping that it wouldn't happen with our car, and install this mud flaps, which were really, really easy. Did it all by hand. You can see that. Now let's go on to the rear. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to install the front and the rear, and then I'll do the other two from the other side off camera, and I'll show you everything. I'll show you what it all looks like once it's all installed. All right, we're at the rear driver's side now. So the first thing we're going to do, just like what the instructions said, is we're going to take out the original clips. Just like in the front, they have the little openings right there. You can see it right there in the opening. So you just put the flathead screwdriver in, apply some pressure, and there you go, pops out. Original clip. Next one. Okay, there we go. Next thing is we're going to grab our left back seat right there. Mud flap. Looks just like, can I get it in there? Can I get in the frame? Looks just like that, right there. Same as before. This is the clip on. It has a little clip right here. You just put it again, the fender liner. Apply some pressure, so then it flops open, and there you go. It clips in. Very nice. Nice and simple. Okay, grab a set of the clip rivet right there that came with it. Align the first hole. And insert the clip. Oh, too much. Come on. Come on. Okay. All right. In the clips in. Put in the rivet. Okay, slide in. Sweet, nice and easy. Same thing for the second hole. All right, it's in. Now, time for the rivet. All right, there we go. Second one in, and that's what it looks like, all clipped in. Again, it's fairly easy, and it looks like OEM, the original manufacturer. It looks great. Let's get a side view if you can see both of them right there. They look good. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to install the other two off camera, and I'll get back and we can do a whole 360 of it, whole 360, and see what it all looks like. Stay tuned. All right, and there we go. I got them installed in the all four sides now, and you look at it. It looks great. I personally think so, and it was so easy to just clip them all on. The only hard part, I would say, is that the space that you have between the tire and the actual trim here, and the force you can apply onto the actual rivet, it's quite difficult. And that's really about the only real complaint I have. But it's nothing they did anything. It's just the spacing, I guess, for the tire. But it looks great. It was very easy, as I said. No drilling or any crazy stuff needed for it, which was awesome. I'll probably say, if I wasn't making a video, I'll probably say it probably took me about, I don't know, 15-20 minutes overall to do everything. It's very nicely structured with the manual there. Oh, and also the nice thing I forgot to mention is that they actually gave an additional 2 clips and rivets here, I guess in case you break them or gets lost, but you have them there, which is very nice. I will actually be testing them out. If anything does happen to them, you know, in the meantime, as I'm using them, I'll definitely make another update video of it on it. And so far so good, looks great. I'll have a link down below for Amazon. That's where I picked it up from, and you can check it out yourself. This was the LASFIT, the Mud Flaps set of 4 for my 2023 Model Y Tesla. Thank you very much for watching again. Subscribe if you're new to the channel. Like, comments down below, and I'll see you on the next one. Thanks guys, bye.